Good morning. This is Frank with Morning Quick Shot, brought to you by Trade Stockers and Ninja Pro Traders. It's Thursday, June the 29th. It's about 6:30 Central Standard Time. So let's get started here. After that nice Santa Claus run yesterday, I think pretty easy trading for everybody. Looks like we topped out last night at 24.45, had the open at 42, overnight low at 39. Looks like we come back down to this 39 is our low last night. 39, actually, it looks to me like around 39.25 area. You can see yesterday we actually made it up to that 37 area that we talked about, and we actually cleared it. We consolidated above it and held it. And that's what I said over the last couple of weeks. We've had to get back above this 37 level, had to hold it, and get a climb above it to move up aboard. All right, so now that we've come up and down and we're settled in here, we are crossing back above the open to 24-hour VWAP to the upside. Looks like we're probably going to be right back up to 45 and then probably up to 46, 47 area zone in this area right here. Look for it to come down and retest back down towards the 42, maybe only as low as 45, so be ready for that. It may just pop down and then drive on up, depending on what kind of control bulls have this morning and sometime this afternoon after news. All right, so let's talk about what's going to happen after that. After we hit this 47 level, things are starting to get tough again. It's got to get above this 49, get up to about 49, I should say, and come back and retest. It may come back and retest this 45, and it might come all the way back and test this 42. Okay, at some point today and drive back up. Okay, there is a lot of resistance up in this area in the 47, 50 area, of course, psychological level area. So we have zones at 50 to 51, market profile right here at the 51 area. Now, if we can break through that, we're heading on up to this 56 area market profile. So that would be the last straw. If we can break through that, all bets are off as where it's going to go on up to the next. We'll look at that at market profile and decide where we might shoot for targets. But again, look for targets right here at the 42, 47, 51 with these zones of confluence, and it should be able to keep us out of trouble today. Going to the downside, if we get up here and fail this overnight high of 45, come back down and close below the VWAP and the open at 42, somewhere around the 41, maybe we might even come all the way down to 39 now. At this 39, buyers could really step in hard and just drive it right back up. So look for that double bottom as a drive up first thing first. All right. But if we take this double bottom, come up, and we hit, come test the open, maybe come to 41.25 right in here, then look for it to fail, come back and retest this 36. This is going to be a vital test. We have to hold this 36, 37 area or we're going down again. Okay, it might even come down here to this 33 level. As you can see, we had some consolidation and structure over here. So it might bleed through after falling through 36 all the way to 34. So keep an eye on that, all right? And once it reaches there, it might bounce back up, hit this 36, and then if it's going to go down, that's where we're going to head on down. We're moving right down to the 29 again, and we'll be stuck back in this range of consolidation again. And if you look back over here, way back to the left, you're going to see that's where we got some ugly stuff. So be real careful in here, and it just gets worse as we go back, okay? So keep an eye on that. Now let's take a look at market profile. As far as the big picture here, here's 235 minute. You can see exactly what we did. We came down and hit this zone one last time here at 24.14, right here at the bottom, double bottom right here. We've had this zone in place for quite a while now. And then we just moved right back up, straight up to this 41. We cleared this 37.29 area. We've been consolidating and balancing in for quite some time as well. So as we moved up, got the 44, looks like 45, come right back down. Now we need to hold this, and you can see this is where I separate a couple zones in here. This is kind of a weird area to hold, I know, but this 38, 39, 40 area is kind of dangerous. We need to hold this. If we do, and close up here to this 46, look for us a little bit of consolidation in here, and then boom, we're right back up here to this 51 double top in this area. Again, very dangerous. Next move to 56. All right, top of this 141 extension. Next target will be the 2465. Okay, first extension, the 127 extension, off of the next major move. So let's look at the daily chart, a little cleaner maybe. As you can see, we did just that. We were balancing all through here. You can see this balance area here pulled down right where we were, 24.14. This has been the base. This has been the base right in here for about a month and a half, and then right up. Okay, we have closed. We got a doji right now in the active candle at 42. This needs to go on up to the 48 and then close above there and move on up. As you can see, look, our first target 66 on a daily chart. It's about a point off of the 235 chart. So you can see we have their influence. Remember these key numbers. If you've got any questions, contact Frank at tradestockers.com. Have a great day.